Welcome back. We are on the topic rates. In the previous video, we learned about rates of conversion. In this video, we are going to apply what we studied in the previous video to solve some questions. The question for this video is: convert I 100 kilometers to meters, II 5 centimeters to meters, III 600 meters to kilometers. Let's begin with the first one, 100 kilometers to meters. We learned in the previous video that in order to convert a quantity from one unit of measurement to the other, you need the rate of conversion between those two units of measurements. Here, we want to convert 100 kilometers to meters. So the conversion is between kilometers and meters. So you will need the rate of conversion between kilometers and meters. In the previous video, we considered some rates of conversion. Because we are converting from kilometers to meters, you look through it and find the rate of conversion between kilometers and meters. The rate of conversion between kilometers and meters is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So that means that this is the rate of conversion we are going to use. We are converting from kilometers to meters, so we will pick the rate of conversion between kilometers and meters. And that rate is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Now we can go ahead and solve our question. So the rate of conversion we are going to use is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. And we are converting 100 kilometers to meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. This is the standard rate of conversion that we know. We want to convert 100 kilometers to meters. So you ask yourself, if 1 kilometer is giving us 1000 meters, 100 kilometers, will it give us more than 1000 meters or less than 1000 meters? Now think about it. 1 kilometer is giving us 1000 meters. 100 kilometers, will it give us more than 1000 kilometers or less than 1000 kilometers? You can clearly see that it will give us more. If more, let's divide. From our principle, we learned that if more, let's divide. So if 100 kilometers will give us more than 1000 kilometers, then it means that among these two, the lesser one will divide. So you will form a fraction with these two, and the lesser one will divide. The lesser one here is 1 kilometer. So we are going to have 100 kilometers as the numerator, 1 kilometer as the denominator, then we will multiply it by 1000 meters. So we have 100 kilometers divided by 1 kilometer times 1000 meters. Kilometer and kilometer will cancel out. We will have 100 divided by 1 times 1000 meters, and that will give us 100,000 meters. So if we convert 100 kilometers to meters, we will have 100,000 meters. The second part of our question says that we should convert 5 centimeters to meters. We want to convert from centimeters to meters. So you look for the rate of conversion between centimeters and meters. Here are the rates of conversion that we considered in the previous video. We look for the rate of conversion between centimeters and meters, and that is what we have here. We have 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. We are converting from centimeters to meters, so you look for the rate of conversion between centimeters and meters, and that is what we have here. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now let's use it to solve the question. So our rate is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now look at the question. We are converting from centimeters to meters. Because we are converting from centimeters to meters, I prefer writing 100 centimeters on the left hand side, then 1 meter on the right hand side. We have not changed the rate. The rate is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, which is the same as 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. But because we are converting from centimeters to meters, I prefer writing the centimeters first. That is the centimeters on the left hand side and the meters on the right hand side. Now we have the rate. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. We are going to convert 5 centimeters to meters. So you ask yourself, 100 centimeters will give us 1 meter. 5 centimeters, will it give us more than 1 meter or less than 1 meter? 100 centimeters is giving us 1 meter. So 5 centimeters, will it be more than 1 meter or less than 1 meter? And you can see that 5 centimeters will give us less than 1 meter. From our principle, if less, more divide. So we will form a fraction with these two and more will divide. That is 100 centimeters will divide, meaning that 100 centimeters will be the denominator and 5 centimeters will be the numerator. So you have 5 centimeters divided by 100 centimeters, then we multiply it by 1 meter, so times 1 meter. Centimeters and centimeters will cancel, so you have 5 divided by 100 times 1 meter, and this will give us 0.05 meters. So 5 centimeters is equal to 0.05 meters. Let's consider the last part of our question. We are converting 600 meters to kilometers. So we are converting from meters to kilometers. Once again, you go through the rate of conversions and you pick the one between kilometers and meters. The one between kilometers and meters, and we have it here. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. You don't have to necessarily keep on referring to the table. I'm doing that for you to know how the rate of conversion is used. As you solve more questions, you become conversant with them, so you have them off head. Whenever you are converting between one unit and the other, you just write the rate of conversion and you use it. We are converting from meters to kilometers, so you pick the rate of conversion between meters and kilometers, and we have that as 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So that is the rate we are going to use. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. We are converting from meters to kilometers. I prefer writing the meters on the left hand side, then kilometers on the right hand side, because we are converting from meters to kilometers. So when I do that, we will have 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Now we are going to use this rate to convert 600 meters to kilometers. You ask yourself, if 1000 meters is giving us 1 kilometer, 600 meters, will it give us more than 1 kilometer or less than 1 kilometer? 1000 meters is giving us 1 kilometer. 600 meters, will it be more than 1 kilometer or less than 1 kilometer? You can see that it will be less. From the principle, if less, more divide. So you form a fraction with these two and more will divide. That is 1000 meters will be the denominator, 600 meters will be the numerator. Then you multiply it by 1 kilometer. So you have 600 meters divided by 1000 meters times 1 kilometer. Meters and meters will cancel out, so you have 600 divided by 1000 times 1 kilometer, and this will give us 0.6 kilometers. So 600 meters is equal to 0.6 kilometers. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on using the rate of conversion to convert a quantity from one unit of measurement to another. Bye-bye.